nearby to the lift. So our unit is considered a corner unit because there's no unit right beside here, and close by the lift because if you have otherwise you have to go much more further away. Okay, we come with the grill already, and this unit is 700 over square feet, 3 room 2 bath, and fully furnished. Okay, this is the view. We're on level 5, and here internet is using by time, but actually you have to apply for your own. So TV, sofa, fan and aircon all is completed, that you're moving your luggage can be stay. And study table and the chairs actually we put inside the room for the moment. So we have dining table with 3 chairs and washing machine. This unit is been kindly partially cleaning up. There will still deeper cleaning will be coming in. This is the kitchen cabinet with a stove, freezer and oven. So it's nearly everything is fully completed. So this is the master room. All the rooms come with the aircon, bed, curtains. Okay, came to this master bath. It's included the water heater. Okay, this still have to be cleaned one more time. Then everything will be completed. It can be moved in by any time from now. Also, the second room come with aircon as well. All the aircon just been serviced, fully serviced, and the second bathroom also come along with water heater. So our rental is below market price. Previously is 1,500. Now we only come to 1,003. So any interested, kindly contact me as soon as possible. Gym.